Hello! Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching Flores by Flora. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please do subscribe and please click that notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos that I upload. Thank you! Okay guys, in today's video, I'm going to do another unboxing. Yes, unboxing. You know me, unboxing is life. Okay, so this is the first unboxing. Happy, smiley. Okay, let's start unboxing now, guys. So, let's see what's in here. Oopsie. Okay. Oops. Oopsie. Oh, what is this? Oh, Kingfisher Crabmeat lump. Oh my gosh. Darling, where did you get this?
Amazon.
Oh, Amazon. It's Kingfisher. It's crab meat.
I couldn't find any crab for you this year in the shops, supermarkets.
Oh, because normally on Christmas I got crab.
Yes.
Oh, see. Thank you so much, darling. So this is with oil.
Maybe just in water, brine, probably.
Oh yeah, it's in brine. Whole lump crab meat in brine. There.
Too small.
Oh, it's too small. Oh, this is from Vietnam. Back in Vietnam. Oh my lord, I never think that you can order crab meat online.
Yeah.
So we got 3 of those.
Nothing in the supermarkets. So.
Yeah, because you can only order food now online. It's safer.
Bon appetit.
Thank you so much, darling. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so the next one is this. Where should I open it? Oh, it's here. Okay, let's use these scissors. Oopsie.
Who's that young man there?
My baby is sitting on my portable piano, portable keyboard. Baby, you want to sing? Sing a song.
Careful, don't get your hand.
Oh my, it's easy. I'm opening on the wrong way. I'm opening on the hard way. Okay. Oh my god! This is another coffee bags. So this is different.
That's the best one, which was out of stock. Couldn't get it anywhere. So
It's
they're in stock
Taylor's.
now.
So Taylor's of Harrogate. This is British made, is it, darling?
Yeah. Show the front.
Yeah. Oh, so I thought that's the front.
No, the front, not the side.
Yeah. So this is the
Hot
front.
lava java bags. It's
Yeah.
number 6.
Number 6. What does it mean, number 6?
It's the
Oh, so the strength.
stronger one.
Oh.
Still not that strong. Not really strong enough
Where
for
did you
my
see
liking.
number 6?
It's maybe on the front. There, maybe. Or maybe just on the inside. What about there?
That's why I cannot see number 6. So
Must be just on the inside.
unit 3 by 10. What is 3?
3 boxes, 10 in each.
Oh, see. Okay, guys. So this is the coffee bags. This is the box of this coffee bag.
You have to just press it right there and then put it up here.
And then open it here. So oopsie. Okay, so this is
10 individually foil wrapped.
oh, so that's the
So
one.
it stays fresh.
Yeah. Also rows 6. So that is the one you said.
Yeah.
Number 6. Who is number 6?
That's number 6.
Row 6. Oh, so that's nice. So this is enough for 1 cup.
Yeah, one smallish cup.
So it's 10 in the back in a box.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, so that's nice. So it's lava. So that is nice because this is volcano, guys. Look, and this thing is called lava. Is it?
Yeah.
Hot lava Java. So that's nice. I think this is Indonesian. This because Java is Indonesia.
I don't know where it originates from, but it's tailors of Harrogate.
Yeah, I think, but it didn't say here. Well, we will not dig to that, so doesn't matter. That's what that is the name of this. So this is the coffee, guys. This is the nice coffee, guys. So if you wanted to try this, this is the one that you will buy, and that is the box. So this is a nice coffee.
Yes.
It makes your adrenaline alive. I love my coffee in the morning.
Yeah.
I want it. I like it in a big mug,
Yes.
overflowing. Yes. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, so if you try it, just let me know in the comment section below if you already tried this. Okay, thank you. Thanks. Okay, so that's the one, the coffee. So that is the Kingfisher. Okay, so this is the next unboxing. That's what it is. So this is, oh, I wonder what is this. Baby boy. Baby wants to go extra. Okay, so let's open this. Let's see what's in here. What's in here? What's this? Oh, I know this one. This is the for the crab
And lobster.
and lobster. Oh, so that's the one.
Yeah.
Seafood forks, picks, crab, and
Pull
lobster.
it open, but don't tear.
So this is how you open. Alright. Oh, so this is other. Oopsie. So that's cute.
Cute na cute.
Yeah. It's cute. Cute na cute. Wow.
Set
That
of 6.
is amazing. So that's the fork and there's the spoon. But this one, you don't need
You
that.
don't need it. You need it for the one in the shell.
Yeah, the one in the shell. Oh, so that's very handy. Okay, thank you so much, darling.
You're welcome, my darling.
Oh my god. So you're thinking of buying a real crab
If
soon?
we ever find it in the shops again.
Okay, thank you.
This year we didn't.
Okay, so this is the oopsie. Oh, this is already so this is Blu Rays. Oh, I think this is what's his name?
Charles
Bronson. Charles
Bronson.
Bronson, yeah. I like him because he resembles my dad. Yeah, he looks like that. It's like a crumpled skin on the face.
weather beaten.
Yeah. Every time I see him, and I always remember my dad. So Death Wish. I like this film. I think it's in this on, is it on video or DVD?
Seen it on, can't remember now. Maybe DVD before. This is the Blu Ray.
Yeah, and this is the Blu Ray version.
And uncut.
Uncut. Oh.
Yeah.
How
When
about
I used to
the
show it on TV, it was cut, and
and the DVD? Is it uncut as
I'm
well?
not sure. Maybe. But I know the video versions were cut in this
Vigilante.
country.
So this is, it says the original Vigilante.
Yeah, that's the very first one, made in the mid-70s.
Oh, see. Oh, wow. That is nice.
Directed by Michael Winner.
Winner. Okay, and this one is... I'll do this. This is Death Wish, and this Death Wish 3. So
2 and 3.
where is 2? Oh! It's in Roman numerals. That was 2 and 3. Oh, so this is in order.
Yeah, Canon Films.
Oh yeah, Canon Classic. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. I love this film. It's amazing. Yeah. So this is 19. So this is the thing. It's too small.
The 80s.
It's too small. Oh, whatever. That's. I'm sorry, guys. My eyes is getting tired looking at it. See, look at that, guys. That's so tiny. They should put the writing a bit bigger. See, so that is the number 2 and 3. Okay, so oh dear. So this is number 4 and 5. Oh, so this is two, this in one box.
Yes.
Death Wish 4 and this Death Wish 5.
Yes.
Oh. Have I seen this?
Yeah, we watched them on TV.
Oh.
These will be better quality. So they were on poor
Blu-ray.
quality channels.
Blu-ray. This.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. So all of this film, he is vigilante.
Yeah, same character
Um.
in all 5.
So it says restricted 18 plus. So 17 years old
Certificate.
cannot watch.
18 an hour. Officially.
Officially. Okay. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is
That's
it's
the remake.
different. So this is Bruce Willis.
Yeah, the remake.
Oh. So the story is the same, Vigilante.
Yeah, more or less. They've made some changes.
Oh right, look at that. It's uncut version. So it means
Playing
this
same
is
character,
this
but
is longer.
not too sure. Would be about the same. Just updated to present day.
So it's the story
They
is
changed
the same.
character, but they changed his profession from architect to doctor.
Oh, how could that be? Doctor, it takes a long time to study to become a doctor. Takes 10 years. Oh, so that's nice. So we got all of this. So is this a complete set?
Yeah.
All right. So Bruce Willis back to his Die Hard best. So this is the newish.
Yeah. Came out just about 3 years ago, I think.
2018. Oh, so, and this is Universal Pictures, and this one are Canon.
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 3, 4, and 5.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, and 5 are all Canon.
So this one doesn't have nothing to do with all this
Not
story.
really. It's just the
So
same.
this is different
same
story, the same
but
character.
remade. Yeah,
Um.
with some changes.
All right. So that's nice.
Updated to present day.
Have we seen this?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Yeah, we did. Was it about a year ago?
Ah, yes. I remember. The daughter went to India.
I can't remember. I think you're thinking of something else, maybe?
Maybe something else. Yeah. And then went to Rome, and then India. And then
Don't think so.
run on this wall on top of the houses thing on the
I think
roof.
you're thinking of something else.
Oh, maybe that's something else. Sorry.
Maybe one of the Taken films with Liam Neeson.
Oh yes. With all the films that I've watched, I don't remember which one now. until I watch this one, then I will remember exactly this story.
Who's the singing? Yeah. Yes, baby.
Hi, baby boy.
There. Love, love, love.
Okay guys, thank you for watching, and if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe now, please, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Ta-ra!
Love, love, love.
Love and happiness to everyone. Thank you.